Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And it's a brand new day, another day in JA. No, we're not in JA, we're in France. I have been up and in the kitchen as usual. Y'all know that's where I stay. In the kitchen, I am making some food for Sarah. There she goes, she's saying hello. Come say hello. Come.
It's already too hard.
Yeah, what are you saying? Yes. What? What? Tell them. Tell them. Tell them. Come.
You need to try
Come.
and make
Come.
enough
Say
space
hello
for
to
the
the
other
thing. Come.
parts.
Come.
For the other blocks.
You ready for your juice?
Try and
Look, there they are. Look.
yes.
Say hello.
Like that, and when
Say morning.
with the same
Say good
color,
morning.
that
Look at your
is
mouth.
gone.
Why are you so sad? Why are you sad? Say hello to the faves. Say hello to the faves. And you guys probably hear a different voice in the background because we are having a visitor. Babe cousin is in town and she's here since last night, and Tyler of course is in heaven playing games non-stop. Let me show you guys her. There she is, the beautiful Idelina. Say morning, say hello. Hi, look how beautiful she is. That's my girl. Tyler, say morning to the faves.
Mommy, I'm already at 100.
Okay, continue. Are you in competition with Idelina?
Yes.
Of course. Tyler, stay in competition. My God. This boy. You brush your teeth from morning, Sarah? You smiling? You brush your 4 teeth from morning? Anyway, you guys, I am here making some food for Sarah and actually baking some muffins at the same time. Yeah, but that's what's going on right now.
Mama,
Baby's still in bed, yes, Ty?
I forgot to brush my teeth.
Go
That's
ahead.
what I'm going to do.
Okay, please. So yeah, that's what we're up to. We'll show you guys what else we'll be doing for the rest of today. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Tell them bye. No? Nothing? Just so? Nothing? Nothing? You ready for your juice? 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 If my kids doesn't get nothing from me, they get this. That's the only thing they get from me.
Uno.
Oh.
Yes, I'm ready.
Don't let this in your hand. So how Tyler have only one card?
It's the only one that didn't pack.
Red. I win. Oh.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's okay.
Alaji, that's okay. You come in every time. Oh.
I always get one cover in that time.
That's okay.
Uno.
C'est le plus 4. C'est le plus 4 qui reste.
Exact. Oh my God.
Ça là. Mais le plus 2, plus 2, plus 2.
C'est pas le plus 2, elle va gagner. Et voilà, elle a gagné.
We're doing outside.
My coca.
It's gonna come. Papa, you didn't hear him say one coca?
Did he say please?
Yes, he did.
You sure?
Yeah.
Elle dit please ou s'il te plaît? En parlant anglais.
Mama, cheese. Cheese all together.
Okay. Hey! It's tight.
A little bit.
Better.
Mama,
Hand.
look at a big stomach
Hand.
and a big arm. Mama, look at a big stomach and big arm. That's all. Santa Elena.
Come, Tyra. You guys, we took babe cousin back to where she had to go, and now we're at the pool. Gonna have a little pool session, right? We're gonna have fun, and don't let me talk to you about the noise. All right? Okay, you can go.
I can go swim.
Yes, bye. It's cold.
Come feel it.
You're hilarious.
Mama, come feel it. Mama, come feel it, please.
Okay, I'm coming.
I told you it was cold. I told you it was cold.
Oh my god.
I told you, Mama. Mama, I told you it was cold.
Okay.
It's so cold.
Okay. Sarah, it is so cold.
Yes, it is so cold. I'm going to already wet up you.
No.
I can't even swim. I only can sit down right here. She loves it. She loves it, Mama. Where's Papa?
You made it. You're the only one brave enough.
Me too, I'm
Sarah.
brave.
You are in.
Me, I'm brave enough too.
You are?
Yes. Look, Mama. See? Me too. I did it, Mama. I'm brave enough. Mama, you're the only one that's not brave enough.
Exactly. I wonder why. Even Sarah is excited. Sarah, you are pretty.
I could let you be.
No. No. Sarah, what are you doing?
I'm going to wake you up.
No.
But what's wrong? I'm winning. One, two, three,
Hey. Nice afternoon. It's okay after you get in. You can't go under the pipe and don't want to get in right away. Just get in right, just get in right away. Try that stuff. One time. You see, it took me about 20 minutes before I get in. So, I'm gonna give you a hug. Just deep.
Mama, don't do it. Yeah.
Slap you. Where you going, miss? Where you going? Come! No, no, Sarah, no. Oh. Sarah, come. Because the mosquitoes, them love you.
Ah, they love me. I just went outside 10 seconds. They bite me here, they bite me here and here. I chew in 10 seconds. It's like they're looking at me from outside the windows. They're looking at me, waiting on me to open the windows. Once I do that, they don't give me no chance. I should not go outside to clean the outside. You should clean the outside, baby. There's mosquitoes in the kitchen. I'm not going in the kitchen. Mosquitoes everywhere except in the bed. So that's where I should spend the day, in the bed. And in the swimming pool. There's no mosquitoes in the swimming pool. True that, look, I'm scratching.
So hold on, let me ask you a question.
There's mosquitoes at work too.
Wait. Mosquitoes doesn't bite me?
No. They bite me only.
I'm giving you guys. I'm doing the honors of giving you guys
You want to show my
a
body?
piece of what I have to deal with.
You want to see my body?
The senior body.
Yeah, my body have mosquito bite everywhere.
You finished your mosquito run?
Peace. Peace are the mosquitoes.
You finished?
Finish one mosquito won't be there anymore. Why mosquitoes is there?
From nature, honey.
Yes, to feed the lizard.
To feed on you.
To feed the lizard and the
To feed
spider.
on you. To feed on you. Listen, I think I've told you guys this before. I've never seen mosquito bite someone on their fingertip and on their toe point and bump come up on it.
They bite me 2 or 3 times here on my bone here. Sometimes it's the worst when they
Mosquito bite
here.
him in the weirdest places.
You can't even scratch when he's here and he's scratching you and you're like this. Lordy, when they bite you just here. Terrible. Terrible. Yes, I'm pissed. Just thinking about it. Come on.
You don't.
Yeah, we need to go sleep now.
You guys. I was actually coming out to end the vlog, but he wanted to go on a mosquito run, so I let him. You guys, it was a long day. A long day. Babe cousin arrived last night. No. Yes. Last night. And she came and she spent the night, so we were up late chatting and laughing like crazy and playing games. We went to bed late. We got up this morning, did a bunch of stuff, everything that you've seen up until this point, and a lot that you haven't seen, trust me. I made Sarah food and so much more. And then we dropped her back where she's staying because tomorrow she has to catch the train to go back to Paris. Yeah, so that's what's up. Then we got back home, we went to the pool, and we made dinner.
That's make me exhausted. I don't know because I wake up, I won't say early, it was like
you
9.
slept in while I was up. When babe wake up this morning, Sarah food for the week, finished cooking, I baked.
Yeah, it was just 9.
I did so much things. When you woke up this morning, Sarah was going to nap.
So it was,
which means it was 10:15.
9 something.
10:15.
No, I promise you I saw 9 on my
Hello,
phone.
is me come jump up on the bed in there to
At
tell her to get out?
9:15,
No,
it's still
10.
9.
10. Sarah went to nap. Trust me. Sarah went to nap. Sarah went to nap 10 o'clock every day.
Wrong.
Anyway.
But that's okay. Don't stop.
Anyway.
Stop making me feel. I'm telling you that I feel like I have a long day. I wake up early. I drive while you were sleeping in the car.
No, I did not sleep.
I heard you.
I did not sleep.
I heard noise.
Anyway, you guys, we're coming out to end today's vlog. We've been having a lot of family visiting lately, no?
Yeah.
Alright, come go to your bed. You need to go in time out. It's time for bed. Let's go. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Don't pay my crazy ass husband, don't mind. And you guys will see the kids tomorrow. Deuces. You're a crazy ass. Come go to your bed.